Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the webinar this week, guys. Welcome to this week's webinar, guys. I'm glad to actually be here with you again this week. If you can, I see people already doing it. And if you can, go ahead and give us your city that you are chiming in from. We would like to know where you are chiming in from. So if you can do that, I do appreciate it. I see individuals have already started that. They've already started into the room. Welcome, Mr. McCray. Welcome, sir. Oklahoma City is up in here. Covington is in here. Awesome. All right. And tagging, exactly. This next thing is out of my mouth is going to tell you guys, go ahead and share. Watch party. Excuse me. We're on several different platforms today, okay? We on several different platforms today, guys. Yes, we are on YouTube as well. Yes, we are on Facebook on several different pages. On the team page, we are on the open team page also, and the private group as well, guys. So go ahead and share to the individuals that you know that has been talking and thinking and possibly want a home-based business. They're looking for a business that they can do from home, whether part-time or full-time, and earn some income. Because yes, we are going to share with individuals. MWR Financial this afternoon, guys, is the company that is helping individuals, guys, to get a home-based business. We have individuals in the company that are currently, some of them are doing part-time, some of them are doing full-time, but we have individuals, guys, that's doing part-time that is also making some awesome income, okay? And not only are they saving money, and we're going to go over how they're actually saving money, but they are earning some significant amount of income. Some of them are making, hundreds of dollars a month part-time. That's good. Some of them are making thousands of dollars a month. But then we have individuals that's also making six figures a year part-time from home with the MWR Home Based Business. And did I mention saving money? Okay. Did I mention saving money, especially saving on those taxes is what I like to talk about, love to talk about. Individuals are just joining. So I'm giving you time to go ahead and do your watch parties, doing your share. Lexington Park, Maryland, I see you. Franklin, North Carolina, I see you. Princeton, North Carolina, I see you. Raleigh, North Carolina, hey, Mr. Tasha, how you doing? I see you. Carlton from Smithville is in here. Covington, Georgia is up in here. Welcome. Screen is black on Facebook. I hope that let me know if the screen is not black on Facebook. I got to know that said it's black on Facebook on one of the pages, I guess. We got individuals from New York. Welcome, Indiana. Welcome, Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome. Guys, continue to actually share, as we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, this is a Q&A presentation also as well. So as you guys know, on Tuesdays, I like to answer the questions at the end of the presentation. However, I do want you to go ahead and start writing those questions down if you have them. If you don't have anything to write with, go ahead and chat it in the comments. I see a lot of the leaders are on the call tonight. If I'm not able to get back and answer those questions, they'll be able to answer those questions for you. We just want to make sure that you have all of the questions that you need for this business. Okay, I see Charlotte is up in here also. Charlotte, North Carolina, you're here with me. You're here with me and Mr. McCray also as well. Okay, so let me go ahead, guys, and get my screen shared here. Let me get my screen actually shared, guys. So, guys, you're getting ready to actually learn again how so many individuals now, even at the part-time of having this home-based business, guys, are able to make some part-time income. Some of them are making full-time income, and I mean six figures a year, just by having this home-based business. Hey, Fred, how you doing? Houston, Texas, up in here. Sean, welcome. Okay, guys, now let's go ahead and start, guys, with actually this. Okay, I want to start with those that do not know me, because I realize that some people do not know me that's watching this for the very first time. Actually here, my name is Terence Hawkins. I am an enrolled agent. Simply means that I'm able to represent clients before their Internal Revenue Service in all 50 states, okay? In all 50 states. So that means, guys, that if you're in trouble in California, in trouble in New York or Florida or whatever it is, okay, nationally, I'm able to help individuals with their tax matters. And I've been in this industry just for a little bit now, okay? Started doing taxes when I was 15 years of age. I'm 49 now. I'm have my business. I founded Hawkins Accounting and Tax Services. Been in business now for 25 years. We're kind of proud of that and kind of excited about that. My wife and I, so I know a lot of things about taxes, and I've gone throughout the country and city to city to city teaching individuals, number one, why individuals need and should have a home-based business. And I taught that, guys, basically saying that you need one just for tax deductions. We clearly know now that if individuals have a business, they are a little bit favored, I would say, okay, to some of the tax laws, that tax code that's out there, because there's a lot of different things that you can then turn from a personal expenditure into a business deduction. So I went throughout the country to teaching that, and a lot of individuals joined this company, that company, and all these other companies. I was on the radio here on ESPN in Charlotte also, with the guys Coffee and Cash Flow with Stephen and Anthony. Did that show for a while, guys, and proven to people how the average was $300 to $600 of saving per month on their taxes by simply having a home-based business. So even if you are just saying, I don't know about this company, you have to start really thinking about it. Having a home-based business, number one, can potentially save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, guys, just on taxes alone. Okay, just on taxes alone. And that's kind of where I got into this industry of the home-based business industry and telling individuals all about, these companies that can do that for you. Companies call me, I go here and I go there. And that's what they actually did. Just to do that. Didn't get involved with a lot of them because I was like a lot of other individuals that time. I used to teach, go get a home-based business, but I didn't want to do it. Didn't want to get into one of those, y'all call those things, right? Didn't get one of those things to do this. And plus, I had a successful business, okay? Or a couple of them, I might say, right? And doing certain things. Didn't want to give it to it until, guys, I really read and understood this book, okay? Until I really read and I kind of understood this book. And what I really understood, guys, about this book here was, Robert Kiyosaki has wrote several different books, right? He's wrote The Rich Dad, Poor Dad, meaning you probably didn't know that. And then he also wrote Cash Flow Quadrant that I'm going to talk about, and some other books, okay? But it's the concept I want you to get, because the concept is what I had to get. Here I was, thinking I'm doing a lot of great things, successful, and what I'm doing, been blessed and stuff. And I read this book, and the book kind of changed my life here and there, right? It did, because it started out by, guys, telling you that there's 4 ways that you and I can earn income. 4 ways. We can either be an employee, we can be self-employed, we can be a business owner, you can be an investor. This was the first time that I realized where you earn your income is important. Okay. I just thought income was income. Are you with me? I thought income was income. I got money. I didn't care where I earned it for, as long as I got money. Okay. I didn't realize that where you earn most of your income is also important. He go on to explain that if you are an employee or self-employed, okay, that's that left side of that cash flow quadrant. If you are an employee or you're self-employed, and many of us are, okay, and then now, he wants you to understand that you are trading your time for money. That's what that little clock is for. You're trading your time for money. You have to put in the time to earn the income. And that's what I saw myself at that particular time. I was putting in time. I was self-employed. Okay. I had the money come in. I didn't think there's nothing bad about that at that particular time, right? I didn't think about anything bad about that. Again, I said to me, my wife was very blessed during tax season. But then I realized, what happens when the time stops? Okay. What happened when I don't have the time to put into my own business? For something may happen. Okay. Whether it's health related, or how about like last year? Whether it's COVID related, right? You can't even go to your facility to earn income. A lot of our stylists was put into that position. Your money stops. What will happen right now if your money stops again? Most individuals' money stopped last year. What will happen now if your money stops because you're on the E or the S quadrant? How long would you be okay? Right? That's why a lot of people want the stimulus right now. Okay, they want that additional stinge, that additional $1,400 right now because they have been hurt before. Okay, and they need extra money. We're going to talk about that. But what Robert actually saying, guys, is 95% of people are on the E and S, okay, blocks of the quadrant. They're on the left side. He said, but you want to get to the right side. I want everybody to type in right side, okay? Just chat in right side for me. But we want to get to that right side. And what's the difference there? Well, the right side, number one, is to be an I quadrant, business owner and investor. You know, if 95% on the left side, that means what? 5% are on the right side, okay? But the unique thing about it, even though it's only 5% on the right side, they control 95% of the wealth. Yeah, 5%. 5% of people are on the right side, business owner investors, but they control 95% of the wealth. That's amazing. And you have to actually look at it and stuff and says, why? If time makes you money on the left side, what's so special about the right side? Here, you use a thing called leverage. Y'all write that word down, leverage. You use this thing called leverage. And in leverage, guys, you found out as a business owner, you have individuals, whether it's your employees or your team, working to make you money. Employees or your team working together to make you money. And know about 500 of them. That's a good number. If you're an investor, you have the money to make you more money. The reason that most individuals are not on the right side is because they don't have employees or a team or somebody else working hard to make them money. And then a lot of them do not have the first money as an investor to make you the second money. Well, guys, MWR Financial, guys, this unique financial company, I absolutely actually love, is here to help individuals to get from that left side to that right side. That's what we do all day long. And we understand that it's a hard way to get. See, the problem is no one else has really came to you to help you specifically to get from the left side to the right side. They may have talked about it. You may have heard it. But do their products and services and a team and everybody focus on, hey, we're going to move you from employee and just self-employed over to a business owner and an investor. That's what we are doing here at MWR Financial. We are moving individuals from the left side to the right side of this quadrant. And that's when I said, guys, you know what? I have to be a part of this. I have to be a part of this because I have been blessed to be able to finally get over there. And now we're helping a lot of people over there, helping a lot of people to get over there. Okay. So let's go over the company. What we're going to go over, guys, we're going to go over a little bit about MWR Financial. We're going to go over that product that's helping people to go from that left side to that right side. Okay. And then we're going to go over a little bit about how much money that you can actually make with it. Okay. All right. All right. So here we go. Going from the left side to the right side with MWR Quadrant, helping individuals from the employee, self-employed to business owner and an investor. Okay. All right. First thing, the mission of the company is to provide families, okay, with a complete financial makeover, providing them with the same financial strategies that's used by the wealthy. So the same strategies that's used by those individuals on the right side, Mr. House, the CEO and founder of MWR Financial, says, you know what? I want to give those same strategies and those same solutions to the individuals on the left side. So the same solutions, guys, the same makeup, the same level of experts. Want to do a complete financial makeover. See, he understood, guys, that you can't just help people with one part of their finances to get them to the right side. You have to help them completely to get to the right side. Okay? You have to help them completely to get over there. So, in helping them to completely, you got to look at the financial problems that's out there. Okay? You got to help them with those problems that's out there. Let's look at those problems. 78% of Americans are currently living paycheck to paycheck. We must have that. 78%. Some individuals are saying 78% of people are living paycheck to Monday because time to get a check on a Friday, all the bills is gone before Monday. Okay. That's something. Is that a problem? Yes, there's a problem. All right. Next problem, actually, real quick, guys. 70% of Americans are paying too much money in taxes. I like to say during the year. So people don't understand their tax stuff. They live in paycheck to paycheck and they're paying too much in taxes. Is that even smart? If people are living paycheck to paycheck, why would they overpay on anything at all? Why would they pay on anything? And we say 70% of the taxes because remember, the people on the left side, most of them are the employees that's over there. And when you get your check, what comes out first? Taxes. And if you're overpaying on your taxes, doesn't it make sense to control that piece of it first? We're helping individuals. Those are problems. Then 80% of individuals have credit challenges. Some people said, man, I could have invested in real estate, could have invested in properties, could have did this, and could have did that. If I had good credit, and that's a perfect credit, I could have got that loan to start that big business and stuff going on. If I had good credit, I can get to that right side. Well, MWR Financial said, we're going to help you because we know that that's a problem for individuals. How about individuals that say, guys, 90% of Americans are buried in debt? Buried in debt. If you're buried in debt, paycheck to paycheck, can't get over, how are you to cross over to the right side? Okay. No, I'm not doing, Star Wars and not like that, right? Trying to get to the right side, right? But we got to get over there, right? We have to get over there. Then 70% of people have less than $5,000 saved at age 65. Less than $5,000 saved at age 65. Guys, you're supposed to be into position to retire at that age. Let me turn this phone off real quick. You're supposed to be into position to retire, but you're not able to. You're not able to. You never made it to the right side. Never made it to the right side. Those are problems, guys. Those are problems that's in your way, in most individuals' way to get over there. So what MWR Financial is all about, again, is providing the solution to those problems. MWR Financial is basically, I should say, we can help people from living paycheck to paycheck. If we can help them to get an extra $200, $500, $800 a month, so extra additional without doing anything else, so that they are not living that paycheck to paycheck life. And we start that by helping them with their taxes first and doing it, minimize that. If we can also then actually say, hey, not just helping them with their taxes and stuff so they can get that money back and use that and stop living paycheck to paycheck, but help them with their credit as well. The higher your credit score, the better your race is. You want to be in a better position. So let's help them with that. We can help individuals that have all of this debt to be able, guys, to finally get out of debt with a true system. If we can help them to have an extra money so they can start developing a savings account, have an emergency action fund there, and then be able to put their money to somewhere else and investing so that money can make more money. That's what the company is all about. Is that a good thing already or what? That's a great thing that the company's doing. And guys, they do that with one membership. This membership is flat out saving people's lives. This financial membership is doing it all. This is one membership, okay? In this membership, people have access to experts. Type in experts for me, okay? I'm not talking about your neighbor or your church member or unless they're experts. Some people got church members, all that kind of stuff is experts. I'm not saying that, okay? But true expert companies that have been helping their clients already. When individuals get a Financial Edge membership and they have experts to a team of individuals that have owned their own separate companies that's teaming up together to help all the members. I'm proud to be one of those team members. I told you I've been helping people with their taxes for 25 years in business and doing so. And am an enrolled agent, travel around the country, helping people to reduce their tax liabilities, getting more money back from the Internal Revenue Service, right? You have other experts that have their own companies doing the same thing. So you have access to individuals to help you to get over to the right side. Let's actually start off with this, guys. Taxes first, okay? Our companies that help you. How many people do you know like to save money in their taxes? Don't everybody want to save money in their taxes? I know you don't want to pay extra money, additional money. Guys, I truly believe that everybody should have the chance or the opportunity to be able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, and only pay $750 in taxes. Y'all think more people should have the opportunity to be able to do that? See, don't get mad that it happened. Let's say, hey, how did it happen? And let's do it. Let's do it. Let's save money on taxes. It shouldn't be just one or two people actually being able to do that. It shouldn't be a company that's make billions of dollars and paid zero in taxes. No. This is Money Max. And all you need to start off with, guys, is unlimited tax on the back. You just need to be able to talk to people, okay, that know the tax code that can help you do it the correct way. See, you don't want to be like some other individuals that try to do and say, I paid nothing in taxes. Next thing you know, you got these silver bracelets on your arm, okay, going into that bar hotel, right? You don't want to be one of those individuals. You don't want to be there. You want to make sure you're doing it the right way. So here you get unlimited consultations. Here you get tax reduction strategies. Okay. Here you get, the W-4 adjustments, which is nothing but the form that controls how much taxes come out of your paycheck. So you do not overpay during the year. Here you get to understand the right ways to turn personal deductions or personal expenses, I would say, into business deductions by having a home-based business. So you don't have to say, yeah, I know if I got a business, I can have tax deductions, but tax, things, but I don't know how to do it. No, here you have the experts to help you and teach you to do that. Right? We're saving on our taxes, guys, here. Here you have, even if you have made mistakes in the past, you get a 3-year tax review just to make sure, guys, that you didn't miss anything before and to make sure that you got no red flags up in that thing. Okay, make sure that the person that did your tax return did it the correct way. That's what you do. Okay, and one of the main things comes with it is a record-keeping system when you have a business. That's just Money Max by itself. And that's included in the membership. So you get a membership. If you need help or assistance or want to talk to somebody about taxes, boom, you have it. All to help you to save money. We are moving people to the right side. We're moving people to the right side, right? Credit. That's the next thing. Many people want to increase their credit for whatever reason that they want to actually increase it for. Some people just simply say, hey, you know what? I'm tired of renting. I want to get a house. I want to increase my credit. Some people actually say, I need a new car. I want to increase my credit. Some people actually say, hey, you know what? I want to lower my interest rate on my card. I need a good, I need that, right? All right. Some people are actually saying some different things about loans and this. If I just had better credit, I'll be able to get myself a breather, which is stop living paycheck to paycheck. But more importantly, know how to use credit. The company that's helped our members with this, guys, is a 30-year-old company. So you will have access to a 30-year-old company that's helping people to increase their credit scores. The average has been 50 to 150 points increase. Guys, they have helped over 100,000 people already. So you ain't the first person. Over 100,000 people that they already helped, 50 to 150 points in as little as 2 to 8 months. Okay, some faster than others, increasing their credit. What would you do if your credit score went up another 100 points? Okay, y'all tell people in the chat. Let's have fun with this thing tonight. Tell people in the chat, what would you do if your credit score went up another 100 points? Okay. You see, I would like to see the people saying my credit score can't go up another 100 points because I'm already over 800. Right? Guys, we don't talk about 700 scores. We talk about 800 scores here because it's not just about things coming off of your credit. It's the profile that you have. You need to understand about installment accounts and how they work on your credit, revolving accounts, how they work towards your credit. You need to understand how those things work and how much you need of each one of them. How many do you need? You need to understand all of those things to get that high score. Let's not talk about just 700 credit scores. Let's talk about 800. We have a company that helps you to do that. Yeah, all right. They do all the letters for you. You ain't got to do all of the letters and stuff like that. And then learn how to do the other things, guys. Helping so many people. So if you're truly trying to get a house, service for you. If you're truly trying to increase to get a car, whatever you're trying to do, boom, we have the service. We're getting people from that left side to that right side by giving them a complete financial makeover, guys. That's what we're doing. Here we go. Debt is the other thing, right? That was the other problem, debt. How many people you know they're still trying to get out of debt? They haven't figured it out yet. They understand that eliminating debt or eliminating, interest will help them to get out of debt faster, but they don't know how to do it the right way. They think they have to go get another part-time job to be able to tack it. And they got 2 jobs and 3 jobs and they still have their debt, the same one. How about to be able to work with a 30-year-old company that basically structures our members to get out of debt in a half to a third of the time, with them keeping their same job, so you don't need to actually get another job, their same income, you don't need a raise or do something additional, their same budget, you don't have to just eat crackers for the rest of their life, you can go out and eat and stuff the same way, right? All right, the same budget, be able to pay off their debts, guys, half the third of the time. You see, they're going to give you a monthly statement. That statement comes every month on the 28th. And it tells you exactly what to do. It tells you what to pay, and it tells you how much to pay. Every single month, it tells you what to pay and how much to pay until you're out of debt. It's your guide. It's your guide. And remember, this too is included in the membership. It's included. Money Max included. The credit with Credit Max included. The debt with Equity Max included in the membership. All to help you design to get to that right side of the quadrant. Okay? And this is going to save you money. And then you're going to get a taste of the right side of the quadrant right here. Retirement. How many people you know want to retire and stay retired? You want to retire and stay retired, right? Well, you need to talk to somebody to do it the right way. Have your money making more money. Your money should start making more money even when you are an employee. Even when you're self-employed, even before you become the business owner, your money should make you more money. Yeah, it should. You just need the right person to talk to. You have unlimited consultation with another company, unlimited consultation with their wealth experts, guys. That's talked to thousands of people already. They give you a one-on-one personal analysis to help you to see, number one, are you on the right strategy with what you already have if you already have some type of retirement going on? You need to know what you have, what's going on there, right? Are you in the right thing for you and for your family? You need you just need another eyes, guys, just to see. Yes, you joined that, like you got hired in that job and they had a 401k and you just start putting money into it because you thought everybody else was doing it, so you want to do it. It may be good for you. It may not be for you. The amount you put it in may be good, or it may not be actually good. You need somebody, guys, that's working with you, not just you doing things, just not knowing. You got to understand before it's too late for you. That's why we say retire and stay retired, because we tired of people retiring and seeing them have to go back to work. They have to go back to work for just $600, $700, $800 a month, guys, in residual income. You see, you need to understand what self-banking is all about. You need to be the bank. This is one of the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. Again, tax-free with no risk of loss. That's important. You don't want to put your money somewhere and then you lose money. There's a cap there, guys. But then you also want to be able to start taking your money out and it's tax-free. You see, you need to learn about the 3 buckets of investing: tax now, tax deferred, tax-free. You need to understand those things. This is all about understanding money and how it works. If your money's going to make more money like an investor, you need to understand. How about real estate, guys? Land banking. Have you ever thought about, you've heard, oh, real estate is a great investment. I want to be an investor in real estate. I want to do this and that, but you don't know how. Is land real estate? Yes, it is. How about to be able to have experts to do everything for you? Experts find the land for you, doing the numbers for you, have everything else for you. All you need to do is be in position and have the cash flow, right? To play in the game. How about to be able to buy land 20 to 40% below market value, but also get it in the path of growth, meaning you got some land and something's going to come through there. Maybe it's a hospital, maybe it's a mall, maybe it is a big center, whatever it is. You're in the path of growth. They want your piece of land to fill out whatever, or to do whatever that they want to actually do. Y'all heard about that. You just hadn't participated in it. How about to have experts that are doing all of the research so that you can win as well? Just real estate in general, if you thought about it. Boom. How good is that to be able to do? That's included in our membership as well. So we have 4 major things included in this membership. We have Money Max, which is all about the taxes, saving your money. Remember, we're going from the left side to the right side. Credit Max, making sure your credit score is as high as it possibly can be, and understand those. We don't talk about 7, we talk about 800, okay? Equity Max does get you out of debt, does attacking that interest a whole lot faster so you can get out of debt faster, right? And then retirement, let's have your money working for you the right way, and then when you pull it out, it's tax-free. I didn't even get all in detail on that one because it does a whole lot. Those 4 things are the 4 core services of the Financial Edge membership that's helping our members. Everything that you need to succeed is in there. And you have separate companies that work together, guys, to help you to achieve that. They've been working with their clients separately all these years. Now they're helping you. It's a la carte. That's all it is. You get the membership and you pick which one you want to use today. I think let me go ahead and work on my credit now. Go ahead. Or you know what, my credit is okay. My retirement is a little shaky. Let me work on my retirement now. Go ahead. Or you know what, I'm tired of these taxes. They're killing me. I'm making a certain amount of income now, and I'm looking at this thing, and I pay a lot in taxes every year, and I still owe at the end of the year. What's going on? Talk to Money Max. Talk to us. That's what it's all about. Bettering your situation all the way. And this membership, when the CEO founder say he wants to level the playing field and get everybody access, think about that for a second. Wealthy individuals have access to these types of services, these types of companies, because they got the money to pay for it, right? Other individuals that didn't have the money to pay for it. How about for $79.97? Can we help more people now? I want to hear some yeses first while I go on as I drink my drink. Can we help more people now with $79.97? Is that a yes, yes? Is that a yes, yes? Can we help more people? Because I think we can help some more people, guys. Because $79.97, no startup fee, okay? No startup fee. Your spouse is included. No contract. This is month to month. So all of those things, $79.97, we're helping you and your spouse. So if both of you have credit issues, you get help, okay? Because sometimes loan officers need both of you on the loan to get the house, to get the car, to get whatever you want to get. You need both people. Got to help both people now, right? So yes, yes, exactly, right? Yes, yes. So that's the things that we need to help both people, not just one person, both. $79.97, no contract. Okay, you can start and stop if you don't. If the expert's not working for you, you can get out. No contract. Okay, no counseling fee. Awesome, awesome, awesome membership. That's the membership that the company has. Now, the home business, it's simple because see, the membership, okay, is already helping you from where you are, employee to self-employed individual. And then it helps you to start crossing over to an investor, meaning helping you with the money, making more money, right? Now, the last really thing you need to really explode and to get over to the right side and to stay on the right side, because you can't save us so much to get money, is what? You need business income is what you need. You need business income, guys. Don't forget that. Because you need leverage. So the owner I say, you know what? Let's turn this to business income as well. Let's do what the financial industry has done and the financial insurance industry has done. Let's do what the real estate industry has done. You know, people can do insurance and then they can build a team, right? Have a team and then they can make an override of all of that, right? Yeah, they can. Real estate can do the same thing, right? Yes, it can. So the owner say, you know what? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to give them an opportunity to market that membership that we just went over, to start the process of getting them from the left side to the right side. And then we're going to explode it with the business income, home-based business income opportunity. Okay. We get paid a lot of different ways, 10 different ways, I would say. I will not go over all 10 different ways. I'm going to go over 2 specific ways that we get paid and what you do. I'm going to lay out the plan for you now. I'm going to lay out the plan that has helped me and has helped our team No Limit, to actually get, I think it's 6 of us that are 6-figure annual earners now. And guys, the company's not been around for 2 years yet. Have been launched for 2 years. And that gentleman that actually got there, he hasn't even been in a year yet. 6-figure earner. I think it was 11 months. Okay, there. So I'm going to lay out that plan for you. And because we just want business income, we want some guaranteed income. That's why you see daily guarantee there. We're going to talk about that. But first, you have to be on that left side and work things out to get to the right side, right? We understand that. So let's talk about self-employed part first. Home-based business, self-employed, home-based business. That's just marketing the membership. You marketing that membership over there. So you may know your coworker, your sorority sister, or your family members. Great. You market that membership, $79.97 membership, and you get paid 50%. That's $40. You get paid 50%, which is $40. Okay, $40, and then it's $10, okay, a month after that. No, excuse me, I'm saying you're going to pay $40, excuse me, and then after you refer 3 people, when you start doing your 4th person, you're not only going to get the $40, but you're going to get $10 per month after that in residual income. And the cool thing about that is when the individuals basically starts to get help, if you got a customer and they're getting help and they're getting increase and they're having fun after what that's great. They can refer other individuals to make that $79.97 free. They refer 3 people, and they don't have to pay the $79.97 any longer. They're not making money because they're not doing the business. They just got the membership, right? But you, the home-based business owner now with us, you get the 40/40/40s with the people that they refer. And then their customers want to refer people, and they want to refer, and they want to refer. No problem. You can get the 40/40/40/40/40/40/40s, guys. It can go crazy. It can go crazy. It can go good. That's great. But that, I want you to write down, sharing the membership is still what? Your self-employed income. Now, it can be just like me. I've been blessed being self-employed at my tax office. Been blessed in doing it. Yes, been blessed to work January through April, and if I chose, can take the rest of the year off. Blessed to be able to do so, okay, in doing that. But that's not leverage. We're talking about getting to this right side. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about getting to that right side of this quadrant. We're talking about not just investing either with the money that we have. We're talking about blowing it up with a business opportunity that's good. That's building either employees or what? Team. Well, we can't do it as an employee because it's not our company with home-based business on it, but we can as a team giving people the exact same opportunity. Again, just like insurance companies, just like real estate companies. Same thing. Okay? Same thing. Here's how that works. Okay? And I'm going to end it with this, okay? I'm going to end it with actually this. This is the income. This is the only one that you need to actually know about, okay, guys, is this one. This is the business opportunity actually part. It's nothing but as your team continue to grow. And we're talking about guaranteed income. What's the difference? Guaranteed is guaranteed. We got other ways we get paid. That's great. But you need some guaranteed income in your life. Okay, somebody said, I need guaranteed in my life. Type in guaranteed, okay? Because a lot of people don't understand what guaranteed is. When people thought that they had guaranteed income when they had salaries at these jobs. And they said, I don't want to get a business. I don't want to do all those things. I stay put right now because my money is guaranteed to come on Friday. Yeah, it was guaranteed until that man came in on Thursday and tell you that you're not coming back again. Okay? That's what happens. That's not guaranteed, okay, income. You're not guaranteed when you're doing something. They say, oh, we got to do pay cuts. Oh, we can't do increases. Oh, it's not guaranteed when they tell you you can't have but a certain amount of weeks off. And if you have extra weeks off, you lose pay. That's not guaranteed. Most people fall in financial difficulties because of health issues. Health issues. Most people can't get sick and have a surgery and stay out the weeks that is really need to properly heal before they go back to work. Most people can't do that. Why? Because they don't have guaranteed income. That's why. They don't have guaranteed income. One of the powerful thing about this company that I love so much and why I do this even during tax season is because of the guaranteed income. If something happens to you, you have money coming in. And guys, guess what? Something did happen to me. It did. And I'm glad that I had built a six-figure annual income with this company already. What happened, Terence? I had to have, weeks notice, couple weeks notice. I had to have open heart surgery in August of 2019. But one thing about it was, guys, yes, we had the tax bill. Well, guess what? That was in August. I'm glad it wasn't in January, right? But one thing I knew was I knew I was going to have money coming into my family to support me, my wife, and my son because I have a six-figure guaranteed income. And guess what? While I was recuperating, guys, while I was out for those 2 months that I was out and I was on that 12-week program and rehab and stuff, I was able to have my body in position to be able to heal properly the whole time because my check still kept coming in as guaranteed income. And then we're helping other people to do the exact same thing. And this guaranteed income, guys, individuals get in between $5 a day to $1,000 a day. Let me say that again. Yes, $5 a day to $1,000 a day. What's the difference, Terence, between the days? It's just how big your team grows, guys. That's it. And that's how big your team grows. And here's what I train the team to actually do, guys. Okay. As I said, we got other individuals that's a part of my team, a part of Team No Limit, that basically saying, hey, guess what? We are helping them to actually get the six-figure incomes, and we're going to help more people to get the six-figure income because we now know how to do it, okay? We know how to do it. And how we actually do it, guys, is simple. How we do it is we focus on qualifying you for guaranteed income. So we talk about it, and all we want you to do is qualify for it and then help other people to qualify for it. I don't care if it takes you a week, a month, a year, qualify for the guaranteed income and then help somebody else to qualify. So to help somebody do that, I need you to write this down. 3 and 1. Those can chat it in the field, put it in the chat field. 3 and 1. What do I mean, Terence, by 3 and 1? What I mean, guys, is simple this, okay? We're going to build a team of 3 individuals. There's 3 other individuals that would like to have a home-based business. They would like to have a MWR Financial home-based business. They want to join the team, okay? So you got 3 individuals. You find 3 individuals, 1 customer. 3 people that want to join the team, 1 customer, okay? Now, you can do more on the team. You can have more customers, but I'm talking about qualifying for guaranteed income. Remember I said we get paid 10 different ways. Yeah, we got a lot of individuals that's doing a whole lot more on their team, directly sponsoring, and a lot of people doing a whole lot more customer. I'm showing you just 3 on your team, 1 customer, okay? Because we're talking about just qualifying for guaranteed income, and then we're going to help other people to qualify for guaranteed income. That's what? 3 and 1. That's them doing 3 on their team, 1 customer. At minimum, that's what we look at in this model I'm showing you. Okay, guys? Here we go. We're talking about big business. We are going to that right side of the quadrant with this. Once you get 3 and 1 customer, boom, you start off by qualifying for guaranteed income at $5 a day. $5 a day. $5 a day is $150 a month. Now, it's not tearing the world on fire, but it is making profit. Businesses are business got to make a profit. Okay? You in business to earn income. Let's make a profit. Let's hurry up and get out of that red. Let's get into the black real quick, right? But guess what? It's supposed to take you a whole year. We're going to show you something, guys, that is going to blow your mind. It doesn't matter. Just qualify for it. You get paid otherwise. Just qualify for it. And then those 3 people that help you to qualify, what we're going to do is help them to do what? Qualify for guaranteed income. That's all we are focusing on this model. And when we do that, let's say they do that, you got a team then of 12 people. Now you go from $5 a day to $20 a day, which is $600 a month. Now you can save and invest. Some of you can, right? Really save and invest. Now, some of you guys, I want you to understand, your team just went from 3 people to 12 people. Your guaranteed income went from $5 a day to $20 a day. Now, some of you don't have to go to 3 to get 3. No. You can go and just get 12 people yourself. That's fine. When your team actually goes and get actually 12 guys, and we teach all of that doing training, okay, how that works. Team of 12, $600 a month. Because we taught them to do what? Qualify for guaranteed income. That's all we're going to tell you. As a new home-based business owner with MWR, that's all we want you to focus on. Let the products help you personally. We don't have to know what it is, but focus on qualifying for guaranteed income. 3 and 1. And when that goes on, and that continue, your team just going to continue to grow and grow and grow. Some faster than others. Okay? Some faster than others. But that's all we do. That's all we do. That's all we do is all we do. When your team gets, guys, over the 3,084 individuals, okay, on your team, that's $1,000 a day or $30,000 a month. Now, some of you say, I never built a team of 3,000 individuals. I get it. I understand. But how about a team of 50? Would $900 a month in guaranteed income be more than what you have right now? $900 in guaranteed income? How about a team of 100? How about $1,500 in guaranteed income? How much money would you have to put into the bank to get $1,500 in guaranteed income to come to you? Woo! I don't even know that number, but I do know this one. For $600, you need $144,000 into the bank account that generates you 5% on return on your interest and your interest on your money to get $600. $144,000 into the bank. We just talked about how people are, they're age 65 and don't have $5,000 into the bank. When do you ever have 144 just to get 600? You have to have business income, guys. You have to have it. You have to get to the right side of this quadrant. And that continues to grow and continues to grow. Guys, I want you to write down. You either got to put it on the chat if you don't want to, but write it down to yourself. Some of you guys may want to jot it out. Where you are on this right side of the quadrant. I want you to talk to yourself real quick. Are you the one that says, you know what, if I just make a profit, I'm good because I'm helping people? No problem. If you're, hey, I need some extra income to save and invest. I'm trying to drive this car. I need another car, or I need some help in paying this car payment that I already got. How many people say, I would like to have an income to cover my house payment? Some people say, you know what, I'm working too hard. I need more time. I need some real income. $3,000 a month will help me to do that. I need security without worrying about my job ever again. If the money goes up and down with my job, if I'm here, if I'm gone, I don't like that stress. I need $4,500. Or I need $6,000 because I want to hurry up and get out of debt. It's killing me being in debt all my life. Or I just want to walk in one day and say, hey, I'm here only because I want to be here and working. And if you say something, I will go ahead and leave because I can now fire my boss because I got $9,000 a month. It's an option for you. I'm not saying do that, but it's an option to do. Or some say, I want the lifestyle freedom. I want the $15,000. Somebody say, I want freedom at 30. Wherever you are, guys, write that to yourself. Write that to yourself. What are you tired of? Write it to yourself, because guaranteed income can do that. Sales income cannot do that. A lot of companies just have the income, but you got to hurry up and you got to do it this week. And then you got to do it another week. And then you got to do another week. Okay. You got to keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. They say, oh, that's a reason. No, it's not. Because if somebody stops, then you're not guaranteed anything. You're not guaranteed anything. If you got 3 and 1, you're guaranteed in this company to have in between $5 a day to $1,000 a day. That's the difference. Are you with me? Now, here's what I also say, guys, because this is the part I actually like. The company is going to stand by some stuff. Check this out. 30-day money-back guarantee. 30-day money-back guarantee. The company is going to say, you know what? Plan of action here. Plan of action. You work with the expert. You work with the company. You work with the Money Max, and you work with Credit Max and Equity Max and Wealth Max. You work with those experts, and you work with your team leaders and team like us that's presenting for you. You say, you know what? If you do not save and make more money than the business even costs in your first 30 days, the company's going to say you can get your money back in the first 30 days. Hey, if you want to get out in the first 30 days because you made a full refund, guys. Full refund. You see, we on the road to success, okay? Bottom line, we're on that road. We are, as Mr. McCray has said, we are focused on that road. We are focused on that road and actually going there. And then the company's going to say, a 30-day money back guarantee, that's no risk at all. That's no risk at all. Let me end this thing, guys, okay? And then I can go to the Q&A and questions. Businesses do cost, yes. They call to actually start up. Here, guys, you're going to get your materials and training. You're going to get Business Center, your websites, your marketing. We got several different websites, capture pages, all the websites. You know, the Financial Edge membership. Remember, the Financial Edge membership was $79.97, right? All of the above, okay? And this is the price, including the Financial Edge membership, $228.97. Write that down. $228.97. Right there. That's the total cost to start of a business, true business. Okay. Now it's $120 a month. Why? Financial Edge membership is $79.97. It's going to cost $80, right? Then $40 a month is for you continue with your back office, your business center, and all of that kind of stuff, right? That's so you're already paying $40 for the business. You got $79 for the membership. And remember, if you refer 3 customers yourself, guys, guess what? You get the membership free as well. You only pay $40 a month for this type of business. Just get involved, guys, and build a 3-in-1. Get involved, just build a 3-in-1. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add on something for you real quick because you know I'm the tax guy, Money Max, the tax guy, right? This is why I want you to understand this as well. Remember, I said at the beginning that I travel throughout the country teaching people why everybody should have a home-based business because of the tax deduction. I need you to understand this. When you start a business, you can potentially be eligible to qualify for tax deductions. If you have the intent to generate a profit, if you actively participate, and you keep proper records, you can potentially qualify for tax deductions, taking some of your personal expenses that you have now, turning them into business deduction. The national average, not MWR national, not just ever, no, the national average of individuals in any home-based business, individuals can save on average $300 to $600 a month on tax deductions. $300 to $600 a month. You just have to know the know-how and the people to help you. Well, MWR gives you an enrolled agent, our team, to help you do that, right? And $300 is a whole lot more than the $120 a month. So if you understand what I just said, number one, we got a 30-day money back guarantee. There's no risk at all then. And then if the tax deductions covers, get you back in your paycheck or whatever, how this, you start saying $120 plus a month, it's covering the cost of the business even. Then you can get 3 customers and not paying but 79. Guys, it's just all there. It is just all there, guys. Guys, we truly believe that we got the perfect business for you. We truly believe so. Okay. Number one, you're going to be able to, in business, going to be able to get an immediate tax deduction potentially. Immediate tax deduction. Your tax deduction start the moment you have a business. Starts tonight. Okay. Many individuals, guys, I teach you. Well, actually, I'm teaching this actually next month. How your vehicle, when you first started, you didn't have a business and you got a business right now, how your vehicle is pretty much going to actually cover your business for the year. Yeah. You're also going to be able to just refer individuals to MWR Financial. Just referring individuals to MWR Financial, guys. The expert, let the experts do all the work. You just referring. See, the experts is going to, yes, work with them one-on-one with all their situations. Me, here as the experts, we do, our team, we do these calls, okay, every week, every Tuesday and every Wednesday at 8:30. Every Tuesday and every Wednesday at 8:30 that we are holding these calls, okay? And we're doing it because we like, hey, let the experts talk for you and doing the presentation. All you do, like I said at the beginning, share it to your friends. Send the links. Send them there. We'll do that for you. Let the experts do the work. But you can enjoy the rewards. You can enjoy the rewards, okay? Guys, we're getting ready to open it up for the Q&A. I want you to go ahead and start sending your questions in now, okay? Because I know that there's a delay when you're live and online and things of that nature. So I'm saying this now. You can go ahead and start sending your questions. If you have some questions now, I would stroll through the thing and see if there's questions also as well. You know what I'm saying there. But you can start to do that now, whether you're on the YouTube channel, whether you're on the different Facebook pages, or even somebody's actually watch party. Okay, guys, they can actually send the questions actually directly actually to me as well. But go ahead and start actually posting those questions. I'm there if you have them. Those that have to actually leave, guys, I want to actually thank you for actually watching the actual presentation. And I want you to get back with the person that invited you to this presentation or that you send with the link. And I want you to get their website. I want you to get their website actually that they have, okay? And I want you guys to get started. You got a 30-day guarantee. You got the tax deductions. I want you to get started so we can help you to get from that left side to that right side. That's what it's all about, okay? Whether you need something for the tax help, you need some credit help, you need some, debt help, you need some retirement help. We don't know. It doesn't matter. Get started is the key, okay? Get started so we can help you. Get the membership. If you don't want to do the business, get the membership. Get the membership, okay? Get the membership. This is $79.97, includes the spouse. If you're trying to actually get a house or a home, get the membership. If you're trying to get a car, get the membership. If your credit is less than perfect right now, get the membership. Don't just sit around and have something less when you can have something more, okay? Get the membership, guys, so that the company can actually help you as well, okay? So get with them, guys, and I welcome you to that team once you do so, okay? So that is the first part of the presentation. Now this actual part of it, guys, I'm going to roll into the Q&A part, okay? I'm going to roll into the Q&A part or the question and answer part. And I thought I saw a question way up somewhere. I thought I saw a question that came in as I was talking. And I don't know what it is. Don't know what's going on. It was something about the stimulus. Ms. Thomas said something about the stimulus. Don't know what's going on now. Is repeating additional stimulus okay? The stimulus, yeah, that's okay, guys. The stimulus, guys, is it acts as a credit, okay? It acts as a credit on your tax return. That's what it's going to end up doing. It's going to act as a credit, okay? So stimulus is actually good because they got it as a credit. It's not something that you owe back if you got it. Isn't that? No. It's not that, okay? It acts as a credit and everything. And we actually teach them. As a matter of fact, I think it was last week, and somebody said it was last week, last Thursday or the week before that we actually did. See, guys, we have something called Financial Edge University that every Thursday night, the experts do training and calls actually for our members to get them update. Well, last Thursday, we decided that we wanted to talk all about the stimulus, all about the different things in the stimulus. We talked about the PPP, the loan, because a lot of the members, by having a home-based business, qualified, actually for it and stuff. And we talked a lot about all of those things. We talked about the child tax credit going up, and we want to make sure that people are educated and understand the information, okay? Many of the calls that, yes, they talk about credit and how to use credit, debt, and how debt works, about land, where the land is, just so much information, those 3 buckets of investing and things of that nature. So those are on that call, as well, okay? Startup cost is a type. Yes, the startup cost is a write-off as well. That $228, do you know that Turner Revenue Service gives you up to $5,000 in startup costs to actually write off? That is business don't cost what? $5,000 to actually start, but you get up to $5,000. So the $228 is a tax write-off as well. Okay. All right. Any other questions coming through? There? Don't see any other questions actually coming through, guys. I'm trying to actually pause actually for that delay can actually happen just a little bit. All right. I want to appreciate each and every one of you for actually being on, because of course I'm in tax season. I got to rock and roll also as well, right? Some just came in. The $99 membership is for you and your spouse. That's correct. Is a $298 startup also for you and your spouse? Well, you can get the business at $289.97, which includes the spouse, right? You necessarily do not need both spouses to have a business, okay? But there is a strategy about doing that. So once you get in, you can always kind of decide if you want to do that later by having a consultation with one of the experts to see if you want to do that. But no, you can do the 228. That is, I know you got 289, okay, but it's the 228, okay? Because remember, the 228 includes the home-based business. The 228 includes the home-based business, not 289. It's 228. All right. So the 228.97, guys, you can do that, and it includes everything in that actually for you. And both of you can work the business, one help other one. And I teach you how to do that and write off some additional stuff when you do that. Something like 100% of healthcare cost, not insurance. Your ad bills, over-counter drugs, gym membership, all that kind of stuff. Yes, that's the Money Max part. Teaching those expert things as well. All right, if you want to participate in the Credit Max service, do you have to purchase the Smart Credit Portal as well? No, you do not have to purchase the Smart Portal, okay, Smart Credit Portal, but we highly suggest that you do. Why? Because if you want to know your credit score immediately, say you can take your credit reports and send it to them, but you're not going to get your score. And more importantly, as they're doing something, you're not going to get real-time results on your score. Members that we're seeing testimonies on and stuff is posting them. They got the Smart Credit because they got access to boom, boom, boom. When it's time the score goes up, they get alert. Time this happens, they get alert. Okay, so that's what happened with them. Okay, all right. Yeah, 228. I said. Awesome questions. We are at the bottom of the hour. Again, guys, remember, we'll be here tomorrow with another one of our great leaders who's going to be presenting actually with us. Okay. Ms. Harris is going to have to be here on tomorrow at 8:30. Make sure that you actually come out and stuff again. But get back with the person that you're hearing this from. Get back with them. Go to their inbox. Get there, message them. Text them, call them, email them, however you get in contact with them, get with them. Okay, get with them as soon as you can to get them on, because there's something that's coming next month, in less than a month, actually. Okay, something is coming on the weekend, guys, of April the 16th weekend. That's going to be amazing as well. You want to be involved. Yes, this broadcast is every Tuesday. Yes, we can drive people here yes, you can. That's how we build, Harry. Okay, that is how we build. We use expert, we use system, we leverage everything. And Harry, that's also why everybody can actually do this. All you got to do is have this TV show, this broadcast every single week. Just come here, and the leaders will present for you. Okay, so yeah, okay. How you start your own bank? Yes, that's when you got to do. That's their secret. You want to be able to make money like the bank's making money. Bank make money is something called arbitrage. You need to make your money work for that. You got to have the right accounts to be able to do that first, though. Okay. And in doing that, and that's what Wealth Max got to teach you exactly how to do. Time you get involved, you get that one-on-one unlimited consultation with them, and they work that thing out for you. Okay. It's a good program. Yes, it is. What's coming next month? I cannot tell you, Sheila, what's coming next month. Y'all stop asking me what's coming next month. I can't tell you, but it's big. Okay. I'm going to share. Yes, Miss Smith. Continue to actually share. All right. Love it. That was a good try, though, Sheila. All right. Awesome. All right, guys. With that being said, guys, I want to appreciate, guys, and thank each and every one of you for sharing. For actually joining us this afternoon. And with that being said, as always, this is T-Hawk, and I'm out. Have a great day, guys. Good night.